Giddy up now!
Welcome to day 11 of running 1 mile for every 100 new subscribers I get till I reach 100,000 subs. Yesterday I had this many subscribers, and today I have this many subscribers. 110 new subs calls for 1.1 miles. Let's get it done.
If you're subscribed to my channel right now, I want to hear you in the comments say, grass-fed beef! 1 mile.
Don't wanna be an American idiot.
2 miles. 3 miles.
Want a nation under the new media.
4 miles. What in the world? It's a phone booth in someone's front yard.
The subliminal mind
5 miles.
of America.
7.1 miles, which is 6 extra miles. That finally brings the mile bank under 600 miles. It's sitting at 597. We'll see you tomorrow for day 12.